Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Porchy Tech. So today, as you can see, I have a 3-pack glass screen protector that I got from Amazon, and this is the Glass Pro premium tempered glass. So we have 3 that comes in this package here, and this is for the iPad 7th gen. Alright, so this is for my daughter. As you can see, has a crack on the screen here, and on the edges here is all cracked up. Let me turn it on this side so you can see it's all cracked up here, and we have a crack here as well. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this screen protector today. So I should have done this a while ago, but I haven't had the time, so we're gonna get this done today. All right, so before I head into this video and start adding this screen protector on here, I'd appreciate if you could just head on down below this video, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on so you can get notified when I have another upload, okay? And become a part of the family and help me grow this channel, okay? So let's get into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna remove the current screen protector. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and turn the screen off, turn this tablet off, so I can have a clear view of the screen to see if there's dust or any dust particles or any lint on the screen, so I can replace this and have a clean install. Okay, so I'm gonna start taking it off from this side. Try not to touch the screen too much to get any fingerprints on there. And as you can see, the old one is off, and you can see right along the edges here where it was cracked up really bad, and down here was cracked as well. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take the iPad out the way a little bit, and we're gonna unbox the screen protectors here. Okay, so as you can see, it's a 3-pack. So let's go ahead and rip this package here, take the plastic off, and then we get it open. Okay, alright, so we're gonna pull this mirror. It has a little plastic on here. We're gonna go ahead and take this plastic off. Let's peel this back. It's a little challenging here. There we go. So there goes the plastic, and there we go. We're gonna open this right now. There we go. So we have the plastics here for cleaning off the screen and to remove the dust. Alright, here we have the guide that we're gonna put on the tablet so we can get the screen protector on evenly and nicely. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, just gonna blow on this a little bit because I haven't touched the screen to get any fingerprints or anything on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this over the tablet here, really nice and even. So there we go. We put it on the edge of the tablet here. Alright, so we got it on the edge. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take out a screen protector from here. As you can see it right here. Alright, that's a screen protector in this pouch. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, and we're gonna have this placed over the home button, so it's gonna be installed this way. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, peel this back with my hand away from it, and then we're gonna try to place it from back to front. So get that over the home button, come down a little bit, and boom, get it down on the screen. Watch it spread across as the bubbles come out by themselves, and then we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna press out these bubbles that's in the middle here and at the edge. Okay, so we just gotta get something here, this card, see if this card works. Push the bubbles out that way. Alright, so boom, as you can see, they come out really easy, not really challenging. This is a soft piece of paper, so it's not gonna cause any scratches or anything on the screen, so not a big deal. Let's take this off, go around the edges, make sure it's on properly. Got a small bubble right here, so seems like it's pretty clean now. All the edges are down, as you can see. It's a clean install. And this, I have 2 more left here, so if anything happens later on, I can always replace this one with one of these. And I think I paid like $9.99 for these 3. And I've seen in other stores where they have one single screen protector for like $40. And this is tempered glass, so you don't have to worry about this stripping or anything, you know. It's glass, so it's pretty nice. Protects the tablet very well, and it comes right and sit right to the edge of the home button right here, as you can see. And there's a little gap around here. Alright, but other than that, it's a nice screen protector to have. Nice to protect your devices, especially when you know you spend a certain amount of money on those. So thank you for watching, and let me give you another look on the screen protector that I got. As you can see here, it's the Glass Screen Pro premium tempered glass, and this is on Amazon, guys. This is where I got it, so you can go ahead and check it out on Amazon, because that's where I got it from, as I mentioned before. So as you can see, it's a clean install, no bubbles on the screen or anything, just nice and clean. Alright, so again, thank you for watching. Please remember to head on down below, hit that subscribe button, and turn that notification bell on. Alright, peace out. Thank you.